Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a brand new RV garage pool home listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 3023 Aladdin Drive. Nice north side area, a lot of new construction on the street. Pretty close to like launch ramps over down at Windsor. So this one's been on the market for 2 days, listed for $825. This does have a solar power system that it's owned and not leased. However, they did finance it, so you will have to take over financing or get it paid off in the transaction. Nice little courtyard entry. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2005, 2,026 square feet. Sits on your standard 9,000-ish square foot lot. It's a nice big open living area, vaulted ceilings, split floor plan. You have a little like a dining nook here. I don't know if this would be considered a totally formal dining, but it's pretty big. You have your plantation shutters throughout, looks like. Have your slider out to the backyard pool area. Looks like a wood burning fireplace with some granite. You have your granite top counters, some can lights, little window out to the pool area, pantry. Nice granite topped EDAT counter. So you have your garage access, indoor laundry, and master on one side of the house. You have a cool little hallway that leads to the master. So it's a pretty good sized master. Looks like they did stained concrete floors. Those look pretty cool actually. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. Slider out to the backyard pool area. You have your walk-in closet. You have a big master bath, dual vanities, vaulted ceilings in here as well. You have your little soaker tub. Toilet has its own door. And your walk-in shower, pretty good size. Has a head and then a jet. There's also a skylight in here. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and guest bath on the other side of the house. We'll call this guest bedroom number 2, or guest bedroom number 1 rather. So you have your guest bath. So you have guest bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. All right. right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So back over on the master side, you have your indoor laundry. All right, so you have a 2-car garage side that's 29 feet deep, 19 feet wide at the door, 8-foot insulated door. Looks like it has epoxy floors. So you have your RV side that's 45 feet deep, 19 foot wide at the door. So just shy of a double wide RV garage by 1 foot. It has a 12.6 foot high door. So you have your hot water, water softener, RO system out here. So you have a real nice back patio setup. Real nice pebble-tech pool, the Baja shelf. Got your hot tub. Little seating area up here. Have your artificial turf, your propane tank to heat the jacuzzi and the pool. They have their pool equipment behind a gate fence, which is a good idea. Looks like they have a saltwater membrane. They have this cool built-in bar back here, granite top, stacked stone. Looks like it's really well built. Has a sink, nice barbecue, power, lighting, ceiling fan. Very cool setup. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Aladdin. Again, this one was just listed for $825. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is always right below this video as well. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.